Hi, I'm Sandra Phipps with Sony's Professional Display Group. Today we're showing our SRD monitor technology. This is a glassless 3D technology. It comes in a 27-inch size, which we're showing here, as well as a 15-inch. What makes this unique, of course, is it is glassless. It's a 3D technology using an active display, if you will. This technology is done using a real-time rendering capability using various gaming engines. What we're showing here is this display, which has a built-in camera that actually tracks the viewer's eyes. With this, we can change and render real-time the content based on the viewing angle, or if you will, the way you're looking at the content. This technology is pretty unique and is very, very interesting for applications like product displays, content development, and training.